Hello guys, welcome back to LANapp. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix outer frame not turning on. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So if your outer frame here is not turning on, there are going to be a few things that you can do. So first is you might want to reconnect the power cables. Now first is you want to unplug the power cable from the back of your outer frame and also disconnect the power adapter from the wall. Now wait for a few seconds, then plug everything back in, and also try using a different wall outlet to make sure the original one isn't the problem. Also, you might want to check the power source. So in this case, you want to go ahead and use a multimeter to test the wall outlet and make sure it's providing power. And if the outlet is not working, try plugging the frame in another outlet. If that doesn't help, it might be time to call for an electrician to check the outlet. Next is you might want to inspect the power cable. Now check if the power cable is damaged or fried. Now if it is, you need to replace the cable or take it to a repair center. Don't try to fix this yourself since this could cause more damage. Next is you might want to remove the extension cords if you're using one. So if you're using extension cord, try plugging the outer frame directly into the wall outlet. This ensures there's no interference and the frame gets enough power. Also, you might want to perform a hard reset. Now look for the reset pinhole on the bottom or back of the frame, and you might need to remove the stand as well. But yeah, so use a paper clip to press and hold the reset button inside for about like 5 to 10 seconds. Then the screen should go dark and you'll see a reset message. So this means the frame is reset and should turn back on. But in this case, that's about it. So, if none of those actually work, the last thing, and in this case, the best thing that you do here is to contact support and basically claim warranty if you're still eligible. But yeah, hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to LANapp. Thank you for watching.